Welcome to Life History YouTube channel. Here we discuss the biography of famous personality around the world. Today's topic is Mohinder Amarnath Bharadwaj was born on September 24, 1950 in India. He is a former Indian cricketer and current cricket analyst. He is the son of Lala Amarnath, India's first captain after independence, and Kailash Kumari. His brother Surinder Amarnath is a former test player. Another brother Rajinder Amarnath is a former first-class cricket and current cricket coach. Mohinder is often referred to as the best fast-paced Indian batsman by players and the cricket experts. Career of Mohinder Amarnath. Mohinder made his debut as a fast-bowling all-rounder against Australia in Chennai in December 1969. At his peak, he was a top hitter who played mostly in third place for India. He was also familiar with the ball, bowling spinner and cutters with great skill and controls. He had a unique run-up that slowed down as he reached the bowling alley. There were nerves of steel behind his seemingly lethargic behavior. Mohinder Amarnath played 69 tests with 4,378 runs at a batting average of 42.50, with 11 hundreds and 24 fifties, and claimed 32 wickets at a bowling average of 55.68. In 85 one-day international, he achieved 1,924 runs with an average of 30.53 and a maximum number of 102 number, and claimed 46 wickets at 42.84 each. Fast bowlers Imran Khan from Pakistan and Malcolm Marshall from the West Indies have praised his courage and ability to endure and master pain. In 1982-83, Mohinder played 11 test matches against Pakistan and the West Indies and scored over 1,000 runs in the two series. In his book Idols, the Indian legend and compatriot Sunil Gavaskar described Mohinder Amarnath as the best batsman in the world. Mohinder did his first century of testing in Perth at the Waka and was the quickest to beat Jeff Thomson. He followed this century of testing with another 10 against high-profile fast bowling. Imran Khan held Mohinder so high that he stated in his book All-Round View that Mohinder was simply the best batsman in the world in the 1982-83 season. Imran went on to say that Mohinder should have played for India continuously from his 1969 debut until he retired. In 1982-83 series in Pakistan, in this series Imran Khan showed his fatal best, aided by the sly Sarfaraz Nawaz. Game after game, India crumbled against the fiery pace of Pakistan, losing the second, third and fourth test 3-0. Imran Khan, who took 40 wickets in this series, was named man of the series along with Mohinder Amarnath. The catastrophic streak for India accelerated the end of the career of master batsman Gundappa Vishwanath. Mohinder Amarnath was the only salvation for the Indian batting teams for entire series. In 1983 World Cup, achievement of Mohinder Amarnath is the best known for his legendary performance at the 1983 Cricket World Cup. He was named man of the match in the finals and semi-finals and played a major role in leading India to its first one-day international title and first World Cup victory. In the semi-finals against England, his precious seam bowling earned him top-class wickets from David Gower and Mike Gatting. He gave away only 27 runs in his 12 overs for a stingy 2.25 per over average, the lowest of any Indian bowler. When he got back to the racket, he scored 46 runs to give India a solid foundation. He was named man of the game. In the final, India beat the West Indies fast, which probably had the best bowling attack in the world with Malcolm Marshall, Michael Holding, Andy Roberts, and Joel Garner. India did not do well with the entire team sacked for the very off 183 score in 54.4 overs, well below the 60 overs allotted. Amarnath's calm and even batting against West Indies fast bowling gave the Indian innings some much needed stability. He occupied the circle the longest and scored 26 runs. Usually a long game in limited over matches is not necessarily a good thing, as India did not hold out the full 60 overs. Amarnath's innings gave the batsman on the other and the chance to score. Krishnamacharya Srikanth achieved the top mark with the 38 runs, followed by Sandeep Patel 27 runs. After the weak performance, India's chances were considered almost non-existent. Indian bowling, however, took advantage of the weather and the playing field conditions that were perfectly conducive and swing bowling to discipline the West Indies for just 140. Thus winning the final with the 43 runs. Amarnath and Madanlal were the joint highest wicket takers with the 3 wickets each. As in the semi-finals, Amarnath was given the most thirsty bowler and conceding only 12 runs in his 7 overs, which corresponds to an average of 1.71 per over. Here too, just like in the semi-finals, Amarnath was declared man of the game. As the team's vice-captain, he had his captain and friend, the Indian cricket legend Kapil Dev, held the world championship against the famous photograph.